All right, today we're going to do a video of a 2013 Okuma LB-3000EX Roman numeral 2. It has an OSP P300L control. It has an LNS quick 6-bar feed. Machine has a parts catcher, tool setter, chip conveyor, there's your C-axis on your main spindle. Run your live tooling. That's 1200 with your live tool. That's 2100 on your live tool. That's 2700 on your live tool. That's 1200 on the main spindle. That's 2000. That's 2500. Nice and quiet. Index your turret. You have your back spindle. That's 500. That's 1500. That's 3000 RPM. Again, nice and quiet. Switch over to your C-axis. You have a C on the sub-spindle as well. We'll jog your axes around. There's your Z-axis. There's your W. There's your sub-spindle. There's your X. Then you have your Y. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.